I'm the real nigga live from Streets of Stockton, nigga. Don't fuck with me, boy.
Walk on at 2 feet.
Jimmy, see anybody back there?
Dang. Hey.
Oh, shit. How about the teacher, Pud?
Yeah, the teacher and the principal.
Is she?
Do it for the
Who come with the big gun? It's like you live.
day in the life of Stockton niggas. It was just what's the wrench though. It took us like an hour trying to find a way from here to Western Ranch. Man, I'm gonna save up for a better one. The grind, got back to the grind. We kind of eat out here. We one mob under one umbrella.
Man, it's big as this corner right here.
Real niggas really came together. Mobbing through the bad weather. But things gonna get better. As long as we keep chasing this cheddar. Turn up to the max. Gonna relax. Oh shit, I'm gonna be floated. It's gonna be like a fish. You gonna be like a magic card.
Dang, I'm flooded.
How you running else? Hey, can I grab your hand?
Like this.
I'm about to fall. And out here with the homie. Yeah, chilling with the homies. We got my homie Pun right there. Recording, checking the weather forecast. What's the weather forecast today?
It's like a rainy day to me, man. Rainy day? It's like drizzling, man. It's
well, what does that mean? Can you define that meaning?
I'm not sure, man. We're here.
How we hustle hard and pray. If you hit up Hood for a weather forecast, he'll charge you $10. Give you the news on the weather forecast on what the weather is today.
Oh, man.
But what the weather is like today? What's the weather like today?
It's raining, man. It's raining.
Yeah. How heavy is the drizzle today? How heavy is the drizzle?
For drizzling a little.
Got that face, the look on his face like he's crazy. But you know we stay on our grind, we never lazy. Man, my rhyme is so impeccable. I gotta make sure I maintain myself.
Yeah, that's what she said this morning.
I'm fighting back, but I gotta stay humble. Make sure I never stumble. I don't want to be like Kevin who always mumble. I gotta stay articulate and be real accurate with my aura. I got an aura so strong. We're gonna take over the house. They're wrong.
You're repeating words.
I be repeating words, but Pun looking like a nerd.
It's all good, man. Nerds, they rule the world. You know, to get you in a twirl. All the jocks and box, they have to listen. They're on the lock. Locked down like video.
But you know I got the pill like Neo from the Matrix.
Putting you up
By
in the
the
stars
Matrix.
like Leo.
Poppin', and the beats be knocking. You already know, man, we never stopping. We keep on going just like a green light. Pull up on the scene right, making things right. If it doesn't seem right, yeah, I gotta keep on dreaming. And you know, I'm trying to plan the plot. My money keep on scheming. Yeah. I'm doing my thing and staying on top of it. Is what I gotta do. Yeah, I do this often. And me, Chris Punt, and me in Stockton. Below 33 degrees tonight. Yeah, we gonna be alright if we stand up and fight. See, books in the library worth more than gold. Man, I ain't trying to sell my soul. Yeah, knowledge is worth more than money. You already know, man, they looking at me funny. Oh, shining bright in this dark world. You already know, looking out for little boys and girls that's stuck living in the third world. Man, shout out to Little Blood, third world. Live wire, yeah, we real wire. We trying to maintain and we hustling, not trying to do the same thing. Trying to stay in our own lane, trying to stay productive. Ain't trying to be destructive, ain't trying to break down. Gotta.
See how many views you get? You got like about 20 in
Man,
about 2 minutes.
gotta
Get 1,000
keep
in a
on.
week.
You know, we be mobbing on site. We be mobbing on site all day and night. Fuck with
Never
us,
rest.
fuck with
All
us. We
day,
gon'
every
set
day.
things right.
Being productive to society, holding it down.
Fuck for us, grinding all year. You already know. We can show